I woke up to this on my windshield this morning. It looked like snowflakes, maybe. What's up, y'all? It's your girl MKA. Today is day 4, I believe, in Missouri. I didn't get to record day 3 because I didn't do much, to be honest. Day 3, I woke up early. I went to my morning meeting and then I came home. I was off. I did a few things, but it was nothing to record, really. We'll probably get more into recording when I'm actually doing stuff. Anywho, right now I'm getting ready for my morning meeting. Today's my 3rd day of work, and then my shift is at 1, but we have early morning meetings, so excuse me. I'll see y'all when I get back in the car if I remember, because I know I said that the other day, but I didn't get the chance to record because I was running late and I had to dash. But yeah, see y'all later. Okay, so I'm in the car and currently driving on my way to a meeting. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see where I go. Here we go. Y'all, I'm back in the car. The meeting was pretty good. Feeling pretty pumped about today. Right now I'm heading to Dobbs Auto Center to see what I can do about my coolant thermostat, because it made my check engine light soon come on. Check engine soon light come on. I don't know why I keep saying it like that, but anyway, yeah, I guess I'll get back to you once they let me know what's up. Okay, so I ended up going to an auto shop close to the house where we're staying at while out here in Missouri, and it was $189.99 just for a diagnostics test. So I took myself and I left because nah, y'all tripping. It was $208 actually for just the diagnostics test. So it's looking like I'm gonna have to find somewhere else that's much cheaper or affordable and figure it out. I'll keep you guys posted. But right now I'm on my way back home because I don't start work until 1 o'clock, so I'm finna go home, probably chill for a little bit and eat something and get ready for my shift. I will see you guys later. Okay, finally made it home after getting lost because the dang navigation would have started buffering and taking forever and then just taking forever to reroute. It was crazy, but thank you God I'm home. So I'm about to go in to chill, probably eat some breakfast, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm on my way to work. What's up, y'all? Excuse the lighting. Just made it to the Sam's Club I'll be working at today. Just wanted to say hey before I got busy, and I guess I'll see you guys after work. And yeah. Okay, so I'm on my first break. Apparently I'm working 1 to 8 today. Like, oh man, I thought I was doing 1 to 5, but it's cool. It's cool. Your girl got her first sign up, so I'm so excited. I'm hoping before I leave I could get at least 2 to 3 more. My goal is 3 for the day. When I say sign-ups, it's at basically the promotion that we're doing. We're working with Sam's Club where they are offering their members a free appointment to get set up with leaf filter. So they'll have an expert come out, check out their gutters and everything, make sure everything's cool, and then go from there. So I got my first sign up. I'm so happy. Yes, I can't wait to tell you guys about more or when I get some more, but yes. Also, shout out to that tall, dark, and handsome man who gave me 2 slices of pizza and a free hot dog. Let me know, because you just thought right too. He is tall, he is dark, and he surely is handsome. He got a beard. Let me know, sir, because I ordered 1 slice of pizza and 1 hot dog. He gave me 2 slices of pizza and a hot dog, and I couldn't do tap, and I was like, oh damn, I gotta go get my wallet from the car. He was like, nah, I got you. I was like, should I have given him my number, y'all? Nah, I mean, I'm gonna be here all weekend. So if anything, maybe by Sunday, because today is Friday, I'll let y'all know. I'll let y'all know. Good morning, vlog. It's your girl MKA. Today is day 4, and it is also my 4th day of work. Like I said in the previous video, I think maybe day 3. I don't know. I stopped naming them days after this point. But anyway, yesterday I got my first sale. So today I'm hopeful to get 2 to 3 sales today to try to beat my record for yesterday, or just make some people smile. Because I realize I've been doing that a lot lately too with my comforting nature. But yes, wish me luck, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the drive to work, because today and yesterday I was working in O'Fallon, Illinois. So yes, here we go. Okay, what's up, y'all? I'm currently on break. I'm on my 30-minute break. Today I work 9 a.m. to 1. I got another yes. I'm so excited about that. I'm hoping to get at least 1 to 2 more before I go, but we're gonna see what happens. What's up, y'all? I'm back after my shift. Today was a good day. I got 2 sign-ups. I'm really happy about that. So that's 3 in total for the week. I'm hoping and praying for more luck tomorrow and my continuous days in working. Right now, I'm about to head home, try to shower real quick, get dressed, and then head over to team night. So I guess I'll see you guys after team night. All right. Okay, so I took a quick shower, got dressed, and now I'm headed to team night at I'm gonna put the place or the flyer in later. But yeah, I'll see y'all afterwards when I get home. What's up, y'all? It's the girl MKA. Today is February 8th, Super Bowl Sunday. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday so far. I hope everything is good. I hope you have a great week. For those of you who are new, thanks for checking in. Anyway, today officially marks 1 week since I've been in Missouri, and apparently yesterday marked 1 week since I left Jersey. So, yay! I'm hoping to get a lot of yeses today. Today's Super Bowl Sunday, so I know it's gonna be mad busy in Sam's Club. So y'all wish me luck. And yeah. I guess I'll recap later because I have to go. Good morning. It is February 9th, Monday, 2026. About to get ready for my morning meeting real quick. And yeah. Yo, it's the girl MKA. Welcome back to another video. It's been really busy. Oh my gosh, it's been really busy, but I've been trying to keep it together, y'all. I'm trying to compile week 1 for y'all so y'all can see how it was in Missouri for me and everything. Week 2, I'm gonna try to get in as much content because I'm working all week, y'all, like literally all week. I don't have no days off this week. Damn. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm feeling good. I'm ready. My goal is to get 10 this week. I'm gonna get 10. I'm gonna get 3 each day. Today I'm gonna get 3 yeses. Tomorrow I'm gonna get 3 yeses, and the day after that, if it end up being more than 10, then so be it. But listen. I'm ready. All right, y'all. So I'm about to head home because I got some time before I gotta go to my before I have to go to work, basically. So I'm gonna go home, get something to eat, probably stretch because I need to stretch, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. Just made it to work. I'm about to head out in the fields. Just want to show you the outfit of the day. Wish me luck. What's up, y'all? It's your girl MKA. Don't mind me, I look crazy. I literally just woke up not too long ago. I'm about to wash my face, brush my teeth. Normally, I would be getting ready to go to my morning meeting and then my 9 a.m. shift, but this morning I'll be going to Meineke to see what's up in my car because I need it. What's up, y'all? It's your girl MKA. I'm currently driving home from work. I had an early shift. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day, but by the time this goes up, it's probably not anymore. Anyway, currently driving home in this Missouri rain. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's crazy. Today was a crazy day, but I'm hoping that tonight is a fun night. And yeah. Okay, so I'm finally back home after work. About to get changed, make a run with my homegirl who's in town for the night because it's Valentine's Day. We're not going out anymore early. We're gonna go later on. I don't know where, so I guess I'll see you guys then. What's up, y'all? Finally back. I took a nap, got home. Well, after I got home, I took a nap and I ate and everything, and I was just too tired to record. Right now, I'm about to go out with my 2 co-workers. It is Mardi Gras and Valentine's Day. So we're gonna go see what the Missouri nightlife is like. I think I don't even know where we're going. Yo, shake that ass. Good morning, y'all. Today is Sunday, the day after Valentine's Day. I'm feeling so good, feeling great, ready to crush today. Went out last night, had too much to drink. I was okay, but apparently I kept knocking drinks over. I do remember leaving my phone in the bathroom, and I had to keep getting up to go get the damn phone. But my coworkers said they have fun. I have fun too, minus spilling the drinks. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of embarrassed, but at least I wasn't like sloppy drunk and, you know, throwing up and stuff. So I'll take spilling some drinks. That's nothing. Right now I'm headed to work. I actually need to put in a navigation if it'll allow me to. No? Okay. Anywho, yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys because I could not last night when we got home. I was too gone. Like, I was gone. The drinks and that tiredness started hitting me, and I was ready to go lay down. But I also want to show y'all something that I just saw while I'm waiting for my car to warm up. Honestly, being out here in the Midwest, it really is a culture shock for me, and it is a reset because I'm so used to certain type of people back home. When I'm out here, it's just like, oh, okay. But yeah. Okay, so due to where I am, unfortunately, I can't even show you what it was, but it's cool. It's just redneck country out here for real. There's a lot of Trump supporters. You can tell who's racist and who's not, who's a little prejudiced and who's not. Young and old, honestly. But it was just the Trump sign, Take America Back. I also saw this house that had like Trump on the roof in lights, like tea light candle, like whatever you want to call them. They had Trump, a big old Trump right across their roof, and woo, yeah, living out here definitely reminded me of the country that I'm in, and the people, because, you know, East Coast is such a melting pot. Like, everybody is everybody, and, you know, yeah, you have your few, but it's not a lot. So, yeah, if I look tired, I'm not tired. I'm just recovering from last night. I can't believe I was knocking all those damn drinks over, and I kept forgetting my phone. Like, oh my gosh. But it was a fun night. They had a fun night, so I'm glad. All right, time to head to work. What's up, y'all? Just made it to work. Sorry, I made that face. What's up, y'all? Currently made it to work. About to clock in and stuff and get started. So I'll see you after work. What's up, y'all? It's your girl MKA. I got off early today, so I decided let me try to make some content. It's very nice outside. I think it's like 60 degrees today in Missouri. So with that being said, I'm definitely gonna take advantage of this weather, go clean up midnight on the inside, and probably just chill and enjoy this weather. So yeah. Okay, so due to me being busy, I don't get to vacuum or clean often. So this is what we're working with. This is gonna be the before. It's not very dirty, to be honest. It really just need to be tidied up. Oh, that's my little $7 vacuum I got from Dollar Tree. We about to see how that worked. Okay, so I bought this little vacuum from Dollar Tree out here. As you can see, I used it. I did a test run, and it actually did pretty good. The suction on it is very, very good. It came with the little holes and a little brush thing. I'm probably gonna use that. Oh, yeah. Okay, period. Yeah, so I'm finally gonna get to cleaning. Let's get started. Y'all, I'm actually surprised at how well this little vacuum is holding up, because look, like, okay, Dollar Tree, if y'all got a Dollar Tree near y'all, go in the auto aisle, see if they got this, because this is lit. $7, y'all. $7. Okay, Winter Circle, y'all not bad. Look at that. Period. So now I'm going to run to Dollar Tree real quick to grab a few things, and then I'm going to come back, probably shower, eat finally, and then just chill. So I'll see you guys in the next one.